In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails from Proton Mail 2026. If you need to save an important message for your records, back it up to your computer, or keep a copy outside your inbox, Proton Mail makes the process fairly simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the message you want, find the export or download option, and save it to your device. To begin, open Proton Mail in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your inbox, take a moment to locate the email you want to export. This could be a receipt, a confirmation message, a conversation you want to archive, or any other email you'd like to keep as a separate file. Click on the message to open it fully. It's important to open the specific email first because the export or download option is usually tied to the message view itself. If you're trying to save the correct version of an email, it's also a good idea to quickly confirm that you've opened the right one before moving on. With the email open, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More menu. This is where Proton Mail places extra actions that aren't shown directly on the main toolbar. Click that menu to reveal the available options for the message. From there, choose the option related to downloading or exporting the email. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the message or Proton Mail's current interface, but the idea is the same. You're selecting the feature that lets you save the message or its information outside the mailbox. If you notice more than one save-related option, just choose the one that matches how you want to keep the email. After selecting that option, your browser or computer will usually prompt you to save the file. Choose the folder or location where you want the exported email to be stored. If you organize your files regularly, this is a good time to save it somewhere easy to find later, such as a documents folder, archive folder, or a project-specific location. Once you confirm the save location, the export is complete. You'll then have a saved copy of that Proton Mail message on your computer for future access. That's all it takes to export an email from Proton Mail in 2026. Follow the same process anytime you need to save another message, and make sure you store your exported files somewhere secure if they contain private or sensitive information.